Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know you are all here for this long awaited video and I'm so sorry that I made you guys wait this long. We have lived here a week and 1 day, so not too long, but I was hoping to get this up a lot sooner. But we kind of didn't get Wi-Fi for a few days, and then we've been obviously super busy just like setting up our stuff and getting settled in. I wanted to do an empty house tour, but we arrived at our house at like 7 or 8 p.m. and by the time we brought everything in the house and everything was in the living room, it was a hot mess. It was dark outside and we had no blinds in the house and it was just kind of a mess, and we were so exhausted because we had been traveling all day. So I didn't film it and I couldn't film it before we put stuff inside of it. So this is kind of like just like a first look at our house, what it looks like with just like our stuff, you know, kind of just moved in. I don't have anything hanging on the walls yet. Nothing is like super organized. And you'll see some of our rooms are kind of a disaster, but it's fine. And I'll kind of just explain everything as I go. But we did buy our first house. This is our first home my husband and I have bought together. And our house was built in the 50s, but it was purchased by a woman at the beginning of this year and renovated on the inside. And so yeah, so that's the story of our house, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and let's go ahead and get into the house tour. Okay, so I'm standing at the front door, which I love our front door. I won't show too much of it just because it shows like the outside of our house, but I love this front door. It is so freaking cute. But yeah, I really like that. And then this is like a interesting little quirk about the house. You like have to step down to get to this. This is just like leftover carpet they left here from the steps. Our house actually has no carpet except for on the stairs downstairs, so that's interesting. But then this is what the living room looks like. We're watching Hamilton. It's like our favorite show right now. And this is like the overview. It's really open. Also, our house is super small. It's just barely over 1,000 square feet, so this won't take very long. But we really like it, and I love having a cozy little house. So these are the floors. I really like the floors. They're laminate, and then we have these really big windows in the front of our house, which I like. Our house had no blinds when we got here, so we had to put in blinds throughout the whole house, and they're not all in yet, but a lot of the things you'll see, okay, the boys are fighting. A lot of the things that you will see are things that we brought from our old house, like this ottoman. I'm not gonna go into detail with every little thing. I'm just kind of trying to show you guys the house. But we did get like a couple new things like the lamp and the basket, and I'm still using this right now. I'm planning on getting a new TV stand, and then I want to get a little coffee table. You guys will notice I didn't put the end tables in here. It would just have made it really small in here. So we're gonna use those downstairs, but this is the same couch that we had before. And then I have my blanket ladder, of course. I had to bring that with me, but we do need new pillows for the couch because the boys, well, by the boys, I mean Marvin, chewed up all of our pillows before we left. So yeah, I gotta find new pillows for the couch. But then you walk this way. I'll take you around to the dining room. Wow, it took us so long to get here. We just got this little table and we put it together yesterday. I love it. If you guys watched my last house tour, you'll know that in our old house we had like a bigger table with 6 chairs that had a leaf in it and everything. But we sold it before we came here. We sold a lot of stuff. If you guys followed me on Instagram, you guys know I sold a lot of stuff. And we still are having problems with having too much stuff, you guys. We should have downsized even more. I don't know how that would have been possible, but seriously, so glad we downsized, because if we hadn't, this house would be like jam-packed of stuff. But we got this from a local furniture store, but it's the brand Ashley Furniture. So if you guys want to kind of look it up. It's really small. These little leaves, it's not a leaf, but like the ends fold down to make it even smaller. So this is just perfect for the 2 of us, and I got some cute little placemats. There's another window right there. And then we got this at Home yesterday. The store is called At Home. If you guys are not familiar, I also got the placemats from there. But it doesn't quite exactly match the off-white that our chairs are, but I think it looks okay. I don't really feel like returning it. I think it looks fine. If you guys think it looks horrible, let me know, but I think it looks okay. Like if you're just like standing here, if you don't look at it too hard, you can't really tell. I don't know. It's gonna be so hard to find something that exactly matches this, so I think it looks fine. I don't know how we're gonna decorate it, but I had to put the router and modem down there for our Wi-Fi because there literally was nowhere else to do it, and the guy had to put it in right here. So this house actually had no Wi-Fi ever. The last couple that lived here was an older couple, and they lived here for 44 years, so they never had Wi-Fi in the house. So we had to run a line for Wi-Fi, and that was the only place he could put it. At least that's what he said. So yeah, we're stuck with it right there. I know it's like an eyesore, but I'm gonna decorate the rest of it to look cute. I just have stuff there for now. And then the favorite part of the house for me is the kitchen. Isn't it so pretty? I love it. So all of our appliances are new. The whole house is like renovated, but yeah, everything's new in the kitchen, so I really like that. But some things, they left like random things in the house. Okay, so like here, they left this pantry. This is the only spot that we could put the dog's food, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but yeah. So that's the only place I could put it. But this is our pantry. It's kind of interesting. I feel like if I had renovated this house personally, I would have tore this out and like I would have extended it to the floor and made like a small walk-in pantry. That's what I would have done, but I don't know. Who am I? So this is what the pantry looks like. It's kind of interesting. Like I could literally fit my whole body in there. It's a weird pantry, but so I have some like appliances down there that wouldn't fit anywhere else, and then I just have some food. I want to organize this a little bit better. It also already had these little hooks in here, so I just decided to use them and put my stuff in there because there's honestly not a whole lot of closet space in this house, so I'm using what I can. I'm not gonna go through every single cabinet, but this is another kind of weird one. I decided to put my cleaning products in here just because I don't have anywhere else to put them. I don't have like a linen closet or anything, so yeah. But this is the kitchen. I love the cabinets. I've always wanted a white kitchen, and I really like it with the dark floors. I really like these floors. They do show like dog hair and like water and stuff a lot more just because they're dark, but it's fine. But I think it's so cute, and I love the backsplash. It's like subway tile, but it's like textured. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's really pretty. Yeah, you can kind of tell there. So I just have it like set up basically. I have everything pretty much organized the way I want it. I realize I have so much redone when I put all my kitchen stuff out, but I think it looks really cute. And my mom had got me this little butter dish, and it says Buttercup. I think it's so cute. I wanted to go for more of like a farmhouse slash boho vibe for this house, kind of like mix it up. So that's why I got this rug, to kind of make it a little bit more boho. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this rug. I don't know if it picks up in the camera, but it's like a peach and like a light blue, which are like two of my favorite colors right now. And I got this for like $16 at TJ Maxx yesterday. So super cute. You guys might be able to go find it. They had like a bigger size too, but I thought this would be perfect for the kitchen, and it is. And it's washable, so if I spill anything like cooking or whatever, I can just throw it in the washer and it'll be fine. So that's that. And then I have like my microwave is built in, which I really like because it saves a lot of space on the counters. The stove, I have a dishwasher. I have so much cabinet space in here that actually a lot of the cabinets, like I'll show you, are empty because I just don't have enough to fill it, which is actually nice. And like over here, I made this like the dog's drawer. I know it's not organized, but you know what I mean. So anyways, yep. And then I have this really cute little window over my kitchen sink, and we're gonna put these shades here. I'll show you there in the bathrooms too. My dad just hasn't put them up yet, but he's gonna come this weekend, actually tomorrow, and put those in. So I just have that. My mom got me some pretty flowers when we moved in, so I have those sitting there. And then that's pretty much it. I got a little succulent from Trader Joe's. Oh my gosh, I filmed my very first Trader Joe's haul. I'm gonna post it next, so be on the lookout for that. I'm obsessed with this little area over here that I did. I think it looks super cute. Actually, my friends threw me and my best friend Sarah from work at my last job like a bridal shower slash going away party for me. And that little basket tray was one of my gifts, and so was that little, what do you call it? Like a cutting board, and I used them in my kitchen. I think it looks so pretty. Also, this candle was a gift as well. It kind of melted, but I've got it. Like, I'm fixing it by burning it down. So anyways, I think this little area looks so cute. And then I just have the fridge, obviously. Yeah, sorry I spent so much time in here, but I just really like it. I wanted to show you guys, and I love that window above the cabinets. I think it brings a lot of natural light in. So that's the kitchen. And again, this is like the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen are all right here. Hopefully I'm not making you guys too dizzy. I'm gonna take you in through here. This trash can is not gonna stay here, I don't think. But you guys, I'm struggling because I don't have very many places to put things, so I don't know. It's kind of like Tetris in here trying to place things. But anyways, that's where that is. And I was so excited to finally get a stainless steel trash can. I've had this ugly black one in our last house since we moved into our first house, so I had it for like 3 years. And I was so excited to throw it away. But anyways, then this is where it's like kind of weird too. You step through here and then you have to step down to get to this area. We put a baby gate here because of the boys, just so they can't go down in the basement, and I'll show you guys that probably last. But this little area right here, is this, and then this door leads out to our backyard, which I will show you guys. I'll go out there in a second, but this is interesting too. This little door is like really cute, but you push this open, it's like a bifold door, and there's a little half bathroom right here. So there's a little toilet, and then these are the shades I was telling you that are gonna go above the kitchen sink. They're like gray, but they roll up. But I'm gonna put like a cute little valance over top so it'll look a lot nicer. But I think it looks really cute. But this is just like a little half bath. It's nothing special, but they did put like a new cabinet in here, so that's nice. And a little mirror, so that's that. And then it also has this pull-out door. So this room right here is the first bedroom, and it's kind of put together, kind of not. We have the dog's crate in here for now. There's a closet. It's a hot mess. I won't show you that. But also, one project we're going to be doing soon is replacing all the doors. I have no idea why they would make this house all nice inside and then leave the old doors. I have not a clue. So we're going to be doing that, but we're going to make this a guest room slash like office slash get ready room for me. So I didn't want to make like a dedicated guest room because we live at home now, like basically at home. So all of our family is really close by, and I didn't want to use a whole bedroom in our house for a guest bedroom when we don't really need it. So I decided that I wanted to make this like a multi-purpose room. So we got this little shelf at home the other day, and Devin, sorry, the lighting's kind of weird, but Devin, we don't have it decorated yet, but Devin just put like stuff on it, and then I thought that was really cute. And then you guys, I can't believe this, but this desk is from Walmart, and it was only $79. So if you're looking for a cute little like modern boho farmhouse desk, I don't know if it can be all of those things, but this was super cute. Devin put it together himself, and it was like 79 bucks, like I said, so I thought that was really cute. I just have to find a chair for it. So, and I want to put like a circle mirror above it, and then I want to get ready here, and then also Devin can use it for like school and stuff or whatever. But that's what this room is. Also, we just ordered a full-size bed off of Wayfair and a mattress from Target, so that's gonna go, I think, right here, and then I'll move the desk around. But it's like one of those, like, you know, like the wrought iron farmhouse looking beds. I'll insert a picture so you guys can kind of see. It's gonna be really cute, so I'm excited for that. So that's the first bedroom. And then when you walk out here, this is the hallway. So that is the living room. And then so I'll come back out here for a second, but you go this way and this is the hallway. So that was the room I just showed you guys. This room is our only full bath, which I am honestly kind of happy about, because at our old house we had 3 bathrooms and it was so much to keep up with cleaning wise and stuff like that. So I just am happy to have just one bathroom. The floor is like separating there. I don't know what the heck is happening. We're gonna fix it. I really would eventually like to rip these floors out in the bathroom and put in tile. So that's my idea that I have. And again, we're gonna be replacing the doors. So this was like one thing they left. It was this little like cabinet thing here. So it's fine. I think eventually I would like to do something else here, but it has a lot of like shelving in here, and I just have our stuff sitting in there. I want to organize it a little bit better, but it has a lot of room in there. And then down here as well, there's like space for storage, and I'll turn the slide on for you guys. But I just have like the little trash can, and this little vanity I think is really nice. And then our little mirror, and those are the shades in here. But yeah, so that's what it looks like. And yeah, pretty basic. It's just a small little shower, but I actually took a bath in here last night and it was really roomy. So I just have I like it. It has like built-in shelves. I really like that. So that's that for the bathroom. Nothing super exciting there. And then if you come this way, this room is our like storage room right now at this second. We're saving this room to be a nursery, hopefully soon. So we're just kind of using it as like, you know, storage or whatever. So we just have stuff sitting in here. Those are clean clothes and just like random things that need to go on the wall, curtain rods, blinds that need to be hung. And there's a big window in the corner. So there's also a closet, and this actually has like shelving at the top, you can see, which is really nice. So that's that. And then this is our bedroom. I know it looks so luxurious and wonderful. Can't you guys tell? I love my bedroom, love the furniture. If you guys want to know, I'll link it down below. Just kidding. Okay, so we've had a heck of a time finding furniture because of the coronavirus. Everything is like backed out till like from like months from now. So we finally got a bedroom set that we really like, and it's coming on the 22nd. So it'll be another couple weeks, but it'll be worth it. And I can't wait to not be sleeping on the floor and to not have to like dig for my clothes everywhere. So this is our closet. It also has this weird like storage area up there, which I used for like purses and our suitcase and stuff like that. But we have this little window, which my dad is gonna cut the little like thing for the blinds. And then we have a window over here that goes to our backyard, and the boys are fighting. So that's that. And then I'll show you guys the basement next. So let's go this way. Going back through the kitchen. And this is our little baby gate. Oop. I still have to figure out how to use that. Okay, so these are the steps. Like I said, this is the only carpeted area in the house. This basement honestly kind of creeps me out a little bit, but it's fine. So this is the basement. It's actually really, really big. So they left those built-in shelves over there. And then it goes over here. Those are just some boxes. That's an extra crate. But the boys have to go in the crate together because that's the only way Marvin will do it. So it's basically useless. And then Devin, this is actually really nice. He got this weight set from his grandma for free, which was amazing. It was his dad's, and he let him bring it to our house. So he's super excited to have this. I would like to paint that over there and maybe put like a mirror or something, I don't know. But he has this little weight area set up, and then if you go back over here, this is a really nice size basement. I don't know what this is. I don't really care to find out. That's like the water heater, I think. I think that's just a closet, I think. Anyways, this is the laundry room. It's kind of spooky, but they left these old washer and dryers here. That's because a hose is leaking, but it's just this washer. It's not like a house problem. So my dad is coming tomorrow, and him and Devin are gonna take these upstairs. My dad's gonna take these, and then we're gonna put our washer and dryer down here, which are in the garage right now. So this is actually like a really nice size room. That is a scary dungeon closet. And you know, the AC, the water heater. Wait, so the water heater is not in another closet. I don't know where it is. But yeah, this room kind of creeps me out. So this is my laundry room. I'm kind of spooked to do laundry in here at night, but goodbye. And my alarm's going off. I'm gonna go back upstairs. So I have just come outside, and I got this cute little mat. It says, "Hope you like dogs." I got that at home. And then I wanted to show you guys this little outdoor set we got from Amazon. And our backyard. I love the backyard. We are getting a privacy fence put in about a month, so I'm really excited for that. So yeah, this is our backyard, and it goes like around the garage. This is our like detached garage, and this is our little patio. I love that little thing right there, the like partition or whatever. It makes it look really nice. I think it gives us a little bit of privacy. And then we have this little couch. Like I said, I got this off the Amazon. I'll link it down below because I know you guys are gonna want to check it out. It was like $350, which is a lot of money, but if you guys look at outdoor furniture, it's not cheap. So this whole thing was $350, the coffee table and all of this with the cushions and the pillows, so everything. And then the rug I got from Target. It's an outdoor rug. My friend Emma helped me pick that out. I think it's so cute. It's adorable. And then these are boxes from all of our packages and from the what do you call it, the table and the kitchen table and all that. So yeah, this little tree we're gonna rip out, those little trees we're gonna rip out, and there's the boys. They love this yard. And that's it, guys. This is our house. Alright guys, well that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting a little look at our new house, and I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys. I view you guys as my friends, and I just couldn't wait to make this video to kind of show you guys what our house looks like. And I know you guys have been really excited to see this video because you've been messaging me on Instagram. So hopefully you guys liked it. Let me know if you have any ideas for ways to decorate it. But yeah, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, thank you so much for watching and taking the time to watch this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.